Hey there. So for starters, I just wanted to apologize for not getting back to you sooner. However, I realized that this was going to be a little bit more in depth, so I just wanted to make sure to give you the time that I need to respond to this. So this is your quiz. So I'm going to go over number one, and kind of the same issue that you had, the logic with the first question, is the issue that you had with other questions. So the question here is, which age group is most overrepresented in the electorate? So you chose 45. No, you chose 45 to 64. So here the trick is it's asking you which is the most overrepresented. So you see here we have age groups. And so 18 to 29 makes up 22% of the US population, and they make up 13% of the electorate. Age 30 to 44 make up 25% of the population and 22% of the electorate. 45 to 64, 34% of the population, 39% of the electorate. Yet, and here's the sticky point. So those that are 65 and older are only 19% of the US population, yet they make up 26% of the electorate. So what this means here is that this group, you don't see all that many of them in the population, yet they make up 7% more in the electorate. So better stated, this group has more people in the electorate than they do in the population. This group has more people in the population than it does in the electorate. This group has about equal the same amount in the population as the electorate, so this is equal. This group has about 5%, so I'd still say that it's about equal. They still have more people, 5% more people in the electorate. However, this population is overrepresented because they have 7% more people in the electorate than they do in the population. I hope that this, and the same logic can be seen for the other, because then it asks which group is most underrepresented. So you'd follow that same logic as I do here in this first question. Okay, so look that over and let me know if that doesn't make sense after you kind of review that for a bit. Okie doke. Hope this helps.